So my car has been leaking a lot of water. We're using it or something or the other. So Dutch says he's going to work on it. And I see he's got the hood open on the car and he's got his tools there and everything he needs. But where's Dutch? What are you doing, Dutch?
Oh, I was catching up on a little reading while I was waiting for the camera crew to arrive.
What you reading?
Dutch.
Oh,
Magazine
okay,
named
Dutch.
after me.
Yeah.
Guess I better get going, huh? Show you how to replace the water pump on this leaky monster. Yeah, set my tea right there and put my magazine over here in case I get another break. So basically what we're going to do is replace the water pump. You don't have to pull this off, but it kind of gets in the way, so we'll pull that off. Oh wait, look, there's my gloves. I've been looking all over for those. There. It is kind of cool out here. What is it, 16 degrees or something like that?
I'm not sure.
Warmer than
You can
some
see
days.
it
But
is
oh, look,
snowing.
there's my 13mm wrench too. Wow, that's pretty nice. Okay, first we have to remove the bolts. These bolts in the water pump. You take those out, and you gotta take the belt out. There's the belt. Yep, get the belt out, and yeah, then you have to loosen the power steering pump too, because that gets in the way for the bolt. They hid that one behind the power steering belt pulley thing, you know. And then you remove the pulley off the water pump. There, that's the pulley off the water pump. Get that off, and then you got to take the bolts out to the water pump, like so. And they got it's very handy because they got two different sizes, so you got to have two different wrenches, 10mm and 13mm. So you get those all out, and oh, there's the offending monster, leaking all that antifreeze out. There we go. And it looks like whoever put it in the last time only used a little bit of silicone. They probably tightened it too tight. So the water pump actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. But we're going to go ahead and replace that because they're only 30 bucks. And to put the water pump back in, you got to clean the surfaces and put everything back together the way you took it apart. That's all for now. Thank you.